United States federal government has issued an EAS Destruction Threat for the world. Al-Qaeda terrorists have threatened to dump a huge bucket of sulfuric acid onto the computers at the EAS HQ. If sulfuric acid is dumped, this network will go haywire. ITHINK, they are coming. I can hear their angry stampede. Oh no, they are here, and they have a bucket of sulfuric acid. Oh no, don't you dare.
EKLJFDLJFJFLKLJFJNB at FCF973 Her3 soy Adolfin JDHD fucks nicht fucker Fnidstud Fel KJF8374398 I54 I43 JFM49 RI43 AK094 ERT4 ERT094 IEEE Coach 4 Feet off Coif Fop 9 Rye 4G 548 shut tilde WTFS Ammo Lekis mich Raffel Copter Stagin Defected Sand and Folk Fucking Pogs Fuck your church Casters Snowy People and then carrot dollar number 6 Casters percent at number off go 4 Casters Jophili terrorists must die US Navy for the win for EE Soy Casters US military towns all Andush deal do I what fuck 1096654321 Soy Ush deal do I what fuck 1096654321